This is part 4 of the D1 plus M15 Forex Strategy series. If you've watched part 1, part 2, and part 3, you already understand. Direction from D1 market impulse shift on M15 pending order discipline entry precision. But today in part 4, we're talking about something that truly separates profitable traders from average ones. Trade management, scaling profits, letting winners grow. Most traders focus only on entry, but entry is only 30% of trading. The real money is made in how you manage the trade, how long you hold it, how you control your emotions after entry. You can have a perfect setup and still destroy it with poor management. Once your pending order activates, your job changes. You are managing risk. Do not move stop too quickly. Close at the first small profit. Remember, markets breathe. Pullbacks are normal. Fear is optional. In part 4, here's the key upgrade. Move your stop only after structure confirms. For buys, when M15 creates a new higher high, then forms a higher low, that higher low becomes your protection. For sells, wait for new lower low, then lower high. Structure tells you when to protect profit, not emotion. Now let's talk about professional scaling. Instead of taking full profit at one target, you can secure partial profit at 1.2. Let the rest run toward D1 target. This allows you to lock something in, still catch larger moves, remove emotional pressure. Scaling builds long-term consistency. In part 4, avoid these mistakes. Moving stop to break even too fast. Closing entire trade because of one red candle. Adding to losing positions. Ignoring D1 bias. Mid-trade discipline is more important than prediction. When you combine clean, D1 bias, precise, M15 entry, pending order discipline, structure-based stop movement, smart scaling, you create consistency. Not excitement, consistency. In part 4, you must understand this. Your job is not to control the market. Your job is to control yourself. You cannot force profit, but you can manage discipline. Professional trading is boring, but boring grows accounts. This is part 4 of the D1 plus M15 Forex Strategy series. If you're serious about mastering this strategy, re-watch parts 1-3. Apply this management upgrade. Track your results for 90 days. In the description, I've shared the tools and resources I personally use to help identify direction and structure faster. https://zfpry study. Apply, stay consistent. If this helped you, like the video, share it. Subscribe for part 5. I'll see you in the next one.